Hello and welcome to this video demonstration of my version 3 Bluetooth communicator. I'm going to have a couple of these put together ready for Star Trek London, so if you're there and you find me, I might still have one free for you. First, there's a quick little time lapse here where I'm going to describe exactly how I put it together and hopefully demonstrate why I would still like a little bit of donation if possible. So this video is recorded with 10 seconds per frame and still 25 frames per second, so this is obviously whizzing through time here. You see me taking everything apart, testing things with my MP3 player to make sure I've wired things up properly, using a pizza box as the lid there because I've got nothing else to protect the table. I have to use my face in order to use the multimeter properly, as I haven't got any equipment to hold things down. To begin with this project, I was trying to make it so I could integrate the original Commbadge circuitry so that when you tapped the button it would still chirp and beep like you were trying to make a hail, which is why the beginning of this video is focusing all around that. However, unfortunately it just wasn't possible with the circuitry that comes in the default toy, so a lot of the beginning of this was wasted time. So I'm measuring everything up, lots and lots of multimeter testing, quite a bit of frustration as well as things start to peel apart. This video is in 3 pieces, so you may see a little change in orientation of the camera. So I ended up taking apart 2 Bluetooth headsets to do some testing, rewiring the power slot so that it will be in a more easily locatable position. I finally found a cutting board for this bit, so just going to be finishing it off, doing the last tests, adding some heat shrink around the wires to stop it from being exposed, and soon enough it will be finished. And so on to the finished product. The differences from last time are I've left the speaker inside so that you can hear when people are talking to you out loud rather than just through the headphones. In lieu of leaving that invisible earpiece in, I've swapped it for a 3.5mm jack, so you can plug in your own speaker, your own headphones, whatever you want. It doesn't come out in stereo, it's only the left channel I believe, so there's a limitation there, but it does give you some more flexibility. As with before, you take the box, put it where you want it to go, add the badge, and it sticks. And just so you can hear it coming out of the speaker, you turn it on by pressing and holding. It's now connecting to my computer, and I'll be able to give you a quick demonstration of the sound coming out of the speaker, and then I'll give a quick one of the microphone. So first, let's play a little music. A little bit of Hungarian Rhapsody there. It's fairly loud. It will be loud enough for people to tell that you're talking to someone, but obviously it's not intended as a hands-free device. So, and now I will hook it up and use the microphone. So everything goes in position. Down there, take your microphone, clip it wherever it is you want it to go, tuck away the spare cables, zip yourself up, and the video will jump for a second whilst I switch over. So now all the sound you're hearing is being recorded by the Bluetooth earpiece. The microphone is just here, and just to show that it is that piece with the static there. You can hear that it's quite clear. There's a little bit of a delay on the video because there's obviously all the Bluetooth computing, a little bit of processing here and there. But otherwise it's not that bad. Other people can hear you very clearly over the other end of the phone, which means it can actually be used as a communications device. So as with before, you can voice dial with it. So you tap it once. If your phone accepts voice dialing, say the name and the microphone will pick it up and transmit it, and you should make a phone call. You answer by tapping it once, hang up by tapping it, and turn it off by pressing and holding. So that's it. That's the new one. It took me 2 days to make. I'm going to have a variant on this. The versions that I'm going to take with me to Star Trek London won't have the 3.5mm jack unless one of you very specifically before the 19th asks for one, so that it has easiest capability for people. And I should have 4 or 5 of them available at Star Trek London, which is, if you don't know, the 19th to the 21st of October. I should also have a couple of other projects with me which I haven't gone to video yet. So thank you for watching, and feel free to press the donate button and help me find something a bit more suitable to protect my mum's table.